I'm Bradley Rowe with the Hoosier Company, and I'd like to welcome you to the field application video for the instALERT variable message sign from All Traffic Solutions. In just a moment, we'll join a product expert from All Traffic Solutions as he demonstrates the instALERT message board in the field. It's being used in conjunction with the Speed Sentry radar display to create a dynamic speed-dependent messaging system.
Today I want to demonstrate the All Traffic Solutions SpeedALERT speed-dependent messaging system. This is the most flexible traffic calming system in the industry. The components of the system are the instALERT Rapid Messenger, folding variable message sign, and the Speed Sentry radar speed display. These components are mounted on our ATS-5 trailer. The SpeedALERT speed-dependent messaging system allows you to customize the messages relative to how fast the vehicle is passing the sign. And it has 5 different ranges of speed. One is for no vehicles. One is for vehicles that are going less than or equal to the speed limit, so you might say, have a nice day. And then you have 3 ranges above the speed limit. And each range can get more dramatic with the message. For example, some departments put different fine levels on for different ranges above the speed limit. Others might say, slow down now, pull over for the officer ahead. Being able to tailor your message to the actual speed of the driver allows the system to be much more effective than just a general slow down message to any vehicle passing the sign, no matter what speed limit they're going. There are several components to the SpeedALERT speed-dependent messaging system. The first is the instALERT variable message sign. This sign actually folds in half and weighs about 40 pounds. It can be used on the trailer, or it can be used on a hitch mount, or it can be used on a portable post. The second component is the Speed Sentry radar speed display. The system includes the batteries so that the Speed Sentry can be taken off of the trailer when it's not used as part of the SpeedALERT system. It can be used in a neighborhood and hung on any of your existing poles and utilize the internal battery to traffic calm. The system typically comes with the solar panel, which will charge the batteries in the ATS-5 trailer. We're setting up the All Traffic Solutions SpeedALERT trailer in a neighborhood for traffic calming. I brought the trailer into the position where I want to traffic calm, and I have the jacks down and I have the trailer level. My first step is to raise the solar into position. To raise the solar, I pull the pin on the locking pin and loosen the wing nut on either side of the solar panel. I tip it up and put these locks back into position. Now that we have the solar panel in position, the next step is to raise the instALERT message sign. I undo the retainer clips on either side of the upper portion of the trailer, and then I pull up on the handle and replace the retainer pins on both sides. You may actually have to lift up just a little bit to pull the retainer pin into place. Now the message board is in position. I now have the trailer in position with the instALERT message board in position. My next step is to turn the instALERT on. To turn on the instALERT, I plug the instALERT plug into the receptacle on the trailer. There's an insert indicator on the plug that goes where the triangle is on the receptacle. I plug the unit in, and now the instALERT is on. Now that the instALERT is in position and displaying my preferred message, I want to secure the trailer. I remove the handle from the trailer, and I place it in the bottom of the storage positions inside the trailer. Once I place the handle in the trailer, I can also place the tongue in this manner. Now I close and lock the lid, and the trailer is secure. I now have the instALERT message sign in position, and I'm going to set up the speed sentry radar speed display portion of the SpeedALERT speed conditional messaging system. The first step in setting the SpeedALERT on the trailer is to put the mounting bracket in position on the trailer. To do that, I've mounted the speed sentry's mounting plate to the SpeedALERT speed sentry post. I place the post in the receptacle on the trailer, and I hold it in position. A locking hitch pin. Now that I have my mounting plate in position, my next step is to mount the speed sentry. I take the speed sentry, and I push it onto the mounting bolts on the mounting plate. I open up the speed sentry while holding the back of the unit in position. And I put the 4 wing nuts into position to hold the speed sentry onto its mounting plate. Now that I have all the wing nuts in position, it's now time to power the speed sentry. I've run the power cord through the hole in the bottom of the battery enclosure, and I plug it into the receptacle on the bottom of the speed sentry. Turning on the switch in the battery enclosure turns the speed sentry unit on. It'll go through its startup routine, and then it'll start to communicate with the instALERT. The SpeedALERT system is the most flexible system in the traffic calming industry. When you need to use the message sign for an event, say an arts festival or a football game, and you don't need it for traffic calming, you can take the speed sentry off of the trailer and you can actually go put it in a neighborhood and traffic calm while the message board is being used as a standard message board.
Whether it's set up autonomously or paired with the speed sentry, the instALERT is the benchmark for adaptability. If you'd like additional information on the instALERT or any other product that we carry at the Hoosier Company, please view the other videos on our YouTube channel, visit our website at www.hoosierco.com, or call us at 317-876-6675.